Yeah.
Okay.
So how's
So
going
now
on? How's going on,
this
baby?
is you know where we at?
Yeah, what in the United States?
Man, fuck that shit. Man, this is Извини, подскажите, как эта улица называется?
Маложитомирская.
Малажито. This
А вам какая надо?
yeah, we are from we are doing interview on European soil. Interview for European soil. Малажитомир.
Вам Маложитомирская надо?
Да, мне
А
надо.
номер?
Это где-то здесь, мы просто здесь были, это какой-нибудь.
Вам нужно офис?
Да, офисное где-то, мы сейчас позвоним.
Офис. Направо.
Направо здесь?
Киев Accommodation.
А, да, си.
Вот, давай.
Мы позвоним, кто-то нам встретит.
Да не, вот здесь, пошли пока.
Не, мы позвоним, просто мы не знаем, куда именно, мы позвоним сейчас.
Так они вам в офисе дадут и ки, ключи и все. Что вам нужно?
Did you give the key already?
Yes, I give the key.
Did you give the key?
I give the key. I give the key.
Не, сейчас выходит нам встреча.
они.
Хорошо, мы подождем здесь. Спасибо вам большое. So, you know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
this sound chilling.
We're trying to, make it rain and cause,
Yeah,
you
this
can see the cars? Can you see the cars?
Yeah, let's give time to the money, bitch. You know what I'm saying?
What money, man? Man, you got to work today?
Yeah, I got some shit. You know what I'm saying?
Man, you
Chain
got
on
sacked
my
from
neck,
your
dick
job.
on my
Man. You
bitch,
got
man.
fired. I know about it.
Chain on my neck, dick on my bitches on my dick, man. You know what I'm saying?
Man,
This
that's
how
my
I'm doing.
friend from Congo, but he knows how to speak English because he's been hanging out with a lot
Yeah,
of
you know, baby, let
Nigerians.
me fuck with you a little bit. You know where I'm from? You know what I'm saying?
Man, you're from Congo, man, where you do catch the monkey. That's the game you guys play there, catch the monkey.
Oh, yeah. But, you know what I'm saying? Just how we doing, baby. You know, money nothing, man. Money
Yeah.
out to win. Money
Okay.
out to win, man. Wisdom is a blick, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.